Look at what my dog is doing. My dog is trying to find freedom, basically. Oops. What are you doing, you silly girl? Look at you. Trying to find air. And he's wagging her tail. What are you doing, Sparkles? Sparkles. Sparkles, what are you doing? Sparkles. What? What the heck? What is this? It's not a pill. It has a... That's awkward. She's wagging her tail. Waiting for something. I guess she's like waiting at the door to attack. Oh, I'm just kidding with ya. Oh, you know it's me, you silly head. You silly head, you silly. You silly. You silly. What's that? What are you looking at? It is still snowing outside. Someone's in the background. Is that what you're saying? I know someone's in the background. What are you doing? What are you doing? Who's up there? I don't know what she's doing. You random dog. What are you doing? Oh yeah, now they smell food. Now you run away. Come on. She was doing this to the door.
Here, hold this up here and take a picture. Can you hold that up? Or you want me to hold it up?
I got it. Come on, you got it. Oh, good job.
That's
Sort
it.
of.